So the chain rule basically says that if I have some functions, all right, let us say we have some functions. For example, I have y, which is equal to f of g of x. So I have some composite function going on there. It is said that we're going to take the derivative of the outside function first. So you're going to take the derivative of the outside function, and then that will be multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. All right. So basically then, in a nutshell, this is what it is. Right? This is what it is like. Let us say that we find ourselves with a situation that says, let's say we have y is equal to, say, 5x plus 7, and this is raised to the 6th. Now, we're going to have to take the derivative of the outside function first, which means that we're going to be working with that. So the power rule still comes into play right here, where this 6, so we're going dy dx, that 6 will actually become a coefficient in front of the entire function, writing back everything, and we're going to reduce it by 1. So we take the derivative of the entire thing, and that derivative right there will be multiplied by the derivative now of the inside function. So the inside function is 5x plus 7. So that becomes 5, because when you take the derivative of a 5x plus 7, the constant will give you a 0, and this part will just give us a 5. So at the end of the day, putting it together, this is what we really have. We will have the 5 being multiplied by the 6, and then we still have 5x plus 7 inside the bracket, and then it's reduced by 1, so it goes to the 5th power. So the final analysis, we're talking about 30, and then we have 5x plus 7 raised to the 5th. All right. So just remember that when we're dealing with the chain rule, we're going to take the derivative of the entire thing from outside. That means we'll be writing back everything inside that was there still, but the power of the whole thing will be reduced. And that's the first layer. Then we're going to go inside and take the derivative of the inside function, and it will be used to multiply by whatever we got out. All right. And then we could finalize it. Let's look at another example. Example 2. All right. So example 2 of the chain rule. So we're looking at the chain rule. So let us say that we have a system that says y is equal to 4x to the 3rd minus 2x. And let us say this idea is raised somehow to anything to the 7th. The deal is that we're going to use this, and it's going to become a coefficient. All right. So dy dx will equal to 7 times everything that is inside. And then this 7 is now reduced by 1. So that's the idea. Then we're going to go on the inside, and then we're going to take the derivative of 4x to the 3rd minus 2x. So that will be multiplied by this. So we're getting, what we're getting here is 4 3s 12, x 3 minus 1 minus 2. So it's going to be used to multiply by all of that. Because on the inside, that's what we have. So let's take it down a little further. So we have 7. So we have 4x to the 3rd minus 2x. And if you do notice, this is to the 6th power now. And that is going to be having, let us say we could put this in a bracket. We're talking about 12x squared minus 2. There we go. That's the That's the chain rule. We take the derivative of the outside function, then you go inside and you take the derivative of the inside function, and that's much about it. All right.